Surviving in the wilderness, ingenuity and preparation are key. Arm yourself with a high-quality full-tang survival knife. Perfect for shelter-building, food prep and self-defense. Fire the beacon of survival, kindle it swiftly with a reliable fire starter. A ferrocerium rod or waterproof matches will do the trick. Injuries? Counter them with a well-equipped first aid kit. Bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers and essential medical supplies are your best bet. Water, the essence of life, secure it with a portable filtration system or purification tablets. Paracord, the versatile ally. Use it for shelter, snares, gear repair and more. A multi-tool, a pocket-sized workshop. Cutting, screwing, pliers, wire stripping, all at your fingertips. A tarp or space blanket, your lightweight shield against the elements. An emergency shelter, a protector, a signal for help. Never lose your way with reliable navigation tools. A compass, a topographic map, even a GPS device for backup. Get noticed. A signal mirror, whistle or high-decibel emergency whistle can alert rescuers. And when darkness falls, light your path with a durable headlamp or flashlight. Remember, extra batteries for longevity and signaling. Survive and thrive in the wilderness. Be prepared, be smart, be safe.